Hey everybody, Derek back here at the training center in the Ductless lab. I'm going to show you how to change this from Fahrenheit to Celsius and then back to Fahrenheit. The reason for this is it's a very common issue where a homeowner may accidentally have set this into Celsius and or it could have came out of the box in Celsius. So let's take a look at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the arrow up and down for 3 seconds, pointing at the indoor unit. And you can see that it switched to Celsius. Now if I want to switch back, all I'm going to do is hold down the up and down arrow again for 3 seconds, and this should go back to Fahrenheit. And that's it. So it's a very easy problem to have, but a very easy problem to fix. So that's how you switch this from Celsius to Fahrenheit and or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Make sure that you check back to My Learning Center for more videos from the training circuit.